Before any design begins, your client needs to feel heard, understood, and aligned with your process. That's the power of a discovery and strategy session. These sessions are where you go from just a designer to a strategic partner, someone who guides the project with clarity and confidence from day one. In this lesson, I'll show you how to run an effective discovery session that uncovers what matters, avoids scope creep, and sets the tone for a successful project. Step 1. Set expectations before the call. Let your client know what the session is for and how long it will take. Example: on this call, we'll go deep into your goals, challenges, and what you want your site to accomplish. It usually takes about 45 to 60 minutes, and by the end, we'll both know if we're a great fit to move forward. This makes you look professional, organized, and focused. Step 2. Ask open-ended strategic questions. Use this time to go beyond what pages do you need. Dig into the why behind their website. Key questions to ask: what's working with your current site? What's not? Who is your target audience and what do they care about most? What is the main goal of this site? Sales trust. What would a win look like 30 days after launch? What do you want people to feel when they land on your homepage? Your job is to uncover insights, not sell solutions. Take notes. Be fully present. Show them you understand their world better than their last designer. Step 3. Identify hidden needs and red flags. Sometimes what clients say they want isn't what they actually need. If they say, "I just want it to look modern," dig deeper. What does modern mean to you? What does that help you accomplish? Also pay attention to vague goals, unrealistic timelines, no clear decision maker. Better to find out now than mid-project. Step 4. Share your process. Once you understand their needs, walk them through how you'll solve it. Outline your steps. Here's how I typically work. First, we clarify goals. Then I create a strategy and design. Once approved, we build and launch, usually in about 3 to 4 weeks. Use visuals if you can. Simple slides or a Notion page work great. This builds trust and gives them a clear mental map. Step 5. End with clarity and next steps. Wrap up by summarizing what you heard. Sounds like the top priorities are improving conversions and simplifying your services page. I have some ideas already. Then, share your pricing or send a proposal. Let them know when they'll hear from you next. Thank them genuinely for their time. Discovery sessions don't just sell projects, they set them up for success. They help you charge more, do better work, and attract clients who value your strategy, not just your designs.